Welcome inside one of America's biggest hot dog factories, where 40 billion of these are made every single year. Let's see exactly how it happens. This factory runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and this counter never stops. Every single day, thousands of kilograms of carefully selected beef and pork arrive at this facility, and the transformation begins right here.
Check the vacuum seal on this one, John. Looks good.
Looks good. I've scanned the lot.
This is the main production floor per Beant, and every single one of these conveyor belts is running at full speed, all day long. Before anything is processed, raw meat must be stored at precise temperatures. 1 degree off and the entire batch is rejected.
This is the complete journey tracks, from raw meat on the left to a finished packaged hot dog on the right. Let's break down every single step.
Step 1 begins with frozen blocks of beef and pork. These industrial blades break them down in seconds, something that would take hours by hand.
Temperature is everything in meat processing. Workers check the mixture constantly. It must stay below 40 degrees Fahrenheit throughout.
Now the secret part, hey, the exact blend of spices that gives every hot dog its signature flavor. Its signature flavor. Salt, paprika, garlic.
After grinding and mixing, you get this, a perfectly smooth meat emulsion. This is what goes inside every single hot dog casing, and this is where things get really interesting.
Step 2, stuffing. This single machine fills hundreds of casings every minute with perfect pressure every single time.
Watch this. A mechanical linking machine automatically twists and separates each hot dog to the exact same length. No human hands needed.
Quality control starts early. Every single hot dog is measured against exact specifications before it moves to the next stage.
And now comes the most important step, the smoking chamber. This is where the hot dog gets its flavor, its color, and its signature snap.
Inside, real hickory smoke fills the chamber at carefully controlled temperatures. This process takes hours tones, and it absolutely cannot be rushed. Watch what happens to the color, from pale pink to that perfect golden brown. This transformation takes exactly the right combination of heat and smoke.
Every single batch gets a hands-on inspection the moment it comes out of the smoker. Color, texture, smell, beady. Experienced inspectors catch what machines miss.
Step 4, and most people don't even know this happens. Every single hot dog casing has to be removed, and this machine does it at a speed you won't believe. And
Immediately after peeling, every hot dog goes through this cold water shower tunnel totally, dropping from 165 degrees to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in under 2 minutes.
1,000 hot dogs every 60 seconds from a single peeling machine. Let that sink in. Step 5, quality control. And this factory uses actual X-ray technology to scan every single hot dog for anything that shouldn't be there.
The moment a defect is detected, size, shape, or color sullar, a robotic arm removes it from the line instantly. Zero tolerance. 1 in every 500 hot dogs doesn't make it through quality control. That sounds small, but at this scale, that's thousands of rejections every single day.
We have a consistent reading here, but the manual check shows an anomaly on the last batch.
Yes, I've noted the discrepancy. I'll segregate these for reinspection.
Even after automated scanning, human inspectors take random samples for manual weighing, because at this scale, even a fraction of a gram matters.
Step 6, packaging. Each group of hot dogs is vacuum sealed in under 3 seconds, locking in freshness and extending shelf life.
Every package gets a unique barcode, expiry date, and nutritional information, stamped and applied in real time as it moves down the line.
50,000 hot dogs packaged every hour from a single production line. This factory has 12 of them running simultaneously.
From the production line, everything moves here these, a refrigerated warehouse the size of 3 football fields, storing millions of packages before they ship out. Within 24 hours of being made, these trucks will carry hot dogs to grocery stores across the entire country. What you just watched deal happens every single day. And this is where the journey ends, on a grocery store shelf, looking like every other package. But now, you know exactly what went into making it. From raw blocks of frozen meat to a sealed package on your grocery shelf in just 24 hours, that is American industrial manufacturing. $7 billion hot dogs every single summer, just in America alone. And now, you've seen exactly how each one is made.
Raw meat, ground and seasoned, stuffed and smoked, peeled, checked, and packaged. That is how your hot dog is made.
Behind every hot dog, there are real people working 24 hours a day to make sure what reaches your plate meets the highest standards. This factory never sleeps. And now, Preemy, neither will your curiosity about what else is made behind these walls.
You just saw something most people never get to see. Meng, the real story behind America's most iconic food.
If you want to go inside more factories like this, hit subscribe. We go behind the walls every single week.
Next time, Hill, we're going inside the factory that makes every pair of US military boots. You will not believe the machines they use.
Egg processing plant, military boots factory, candy production line. Which factory do you want to see next? Drop it in the comments right now.
Behind the factory, because what happens inside these walls deserves to be seen.